Welcome to this lesson on present simple spelling and pronunciation rules. Today, we will learn when to add ses or ies to verbs and how to pronounce them correctly. Let's get started. When we add s to a verb, it is sometimes pronounced as s. This happens when the verb ends in these sounds. My friend laughs a lot in the class. My father wakes up early in the morning. In my house, I dust the furniture, my sister sweeps the floor, my mum cooks, my dad helps my mum, and my brother sits on the sofa and chats on his phone. Some verbs take the z sound when we add s. This happens when the verb ends in a vowel sound or a voiced consonant like b, d, g, m, n, r, v. My school opens at 8. This mechanic repairs all kinds of phones. My brother never throws his toys away. Our neighbor drives to his work. Some verbs add an extra syllable when we add es. This happens when the verb ends in ch, s, h, z, or o, x, and s. He fixes his car in the garage. My mother always kisses me before school. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. My friend exercises every day. My brother goes to school at 8 and does his homework at 3. If a verb ends in a consonant plus y, in the third person singular we change y to ies. If a verb ends in vowel plus y, in the third person singular, we just add s. My sister worries a lot about her exams. Boys usually marry later than girls. My father always carries heavy shopping. I sometimes stay at home, and my sister plays with me. He never obeys rules,